Get ready, start. Government. Why the government has not put the provisions of the Plantations Labor Act into operation? Only certain portions of this Plantation Labor Act are now put into operation. What is the objection on the part of the government to put this entire Plantation Labor Act, all its provisions, into operation? If this had been done, certainly some benefits would have been derived by the workers which the government is withholding at present. Particularly, these tea garden owners take advantage of this. They not only exploit the laborers to the maximum extent but also put so many other difficulties in the life of the workers, wage cut, etc. When I say they cut the wages of workers, they affect the cut in wages not by direct cut in wages, but they increase the workload, taking advantage of the position in which the workers are now placed. For example, a certain amount as basic pay is given to the workers, but a far higher amount of work is got from them than what they used to do before. Now they have become bound to do more work. The workers pluck more tea today than they used to do before. Up till very recently, one worker was asked to pluck buds from 250 plants. Now he is asked to pluck from 400 plants. That is how they increase the workload. In certain tea gardens, 60 to 70% workload has been increased. This is generally going on. Government do not take any measures to check that increase in workload. Instead of utilizing this fund, the profits can be controlled. The government should ask the plantation owners to give more amenities such as to their children, facilities to plant in fallow lands, etc. Fallow lands are available in certain gardens. These workers should be given the facility to cultivate tapioca and other food materials so that they may meet their daily necessities. The government should ask these plantation owners to increase the wages of the workers and also to increase the wages of those workers who are skilled workers. There is the factory labor inside plantations, and there are field workers, and there are so many other categories of labor. The government is not doing anything substantial for the workers. Sir, I find that something like 1.5 lakhs of rupees